This is part one of lesson 2 for Pre-Cal 11 exponents and radicals. So it's unit 1, lesson 2, part 1. So just to remind you of what we learned before, all positive numbers have two square roots. One is positive and one is negative. The positive square root is called the principal square root, and we show it with this little symbol here, the square root sign or the radical sign. Square roots of a perfect square are rational numbers, and the square root of a non-perfect square is an irrational number. And we can have cube roots where every number, positive or negative, has one cube root, and that is, we use the symbol, it's the same radical sign, but with a 3 written in there. And then you can read that. So let's look at some other roots. So we're going to complete these statements. So since 4 times 4 equals 16, a square root of 16 is 4. So root 16 is 4. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 25. So the cube root of 125 is 5. Or we can write cube root of 125 as 5. Now the difference between there being a square root and the square root is that 16 has another square root, which is negative 4, because negative 4 times negative 4 equals 16. But this is a cube root, so there's only one, because you have to have 5 times 5 times 5 to get 105. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is negative 125, so that is not, that doesn't give you a cube root of 125 is not equal to negative 5. And then for 16, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16, so a fourth root of 16 is 2. And so the principal fourth root of 16 is 2. And here we have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000,000. So a sixth root of 1,000,000 is 10. And we would write that as sixth root of 1,000,000 equals 10. All right. So next example, you're going to mentally evaluate, if possible, these using the real number system. Pause the video and do these, and then check your answers, okay? How'd you do? I do want to just point out that this question, this part D, we learned this last year in Math 9, but we'll review it again in another lesson, or this next part of this lesson. I can't remember where I saw it. And for E, there's no real solution because you can't take an even root of a negative number. It's like you can't take the square root of a negative number. At least there's no real solution to that, and we only deal with real numbers in high school. Okay, so now go and do questions 1 and 2 of the practice, and then continue on with part B of the video. All right, bye.